Understanding buy on credit. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to demystify a common financial term that you might have heard, buy on credit. Whether you're shopping online or in stores, knowing what it means to buy on credit can help you make informed decisions. So, let's dive in and understand all about it. When we say buy on credit, we're talking about making a purchase without paying cash upfront. Instead, the payment is deferred to a future date. This often involves using a credit card or a store's financing options. It's like taking a mini loan for the purchase amount, which you agree to pay back later, usually with interest. To buy on credit, you usually need a credit agreement with a lender, such as a bank or credit card company. When you make a purchase, the lender pays the seller on your behalf, and you get the product or service immediately. You then pay back the lender based on the terms agreed upon, which typically includes an additional cost for interest. There are definite benefits to buying on credit, such as convenience and the ability to buy something you need immediately. It can also help build your credit score when used responsibly. However, the risks include the possibility of accumulating debt and paying more due to interest rates. It's important to use credit wisely and understand all terms and conditions. To avoid the pitfalls of credit, always plan your purchases and budget for the repayments. Try to pay off the balance in full to avoid interest charges, and keep an eye on your credit score. Responsible credit use can be an excellent financial tool, but it requires discipline and understanding. And that's a wrap on buying on credit. I hope this explanation helps you navigate your future purchases more confidently. Remember, credit can be your friend if used smartly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.